Sound provides students with opportunities to improve their listening skills, communication techniques, and imagination. Incorporating sound in the classroom is easy and inexpensive. Some of the educational applications for digital audio are narrated presentations, oral histories and documentaries, audio note-taking.
Hi, my name is Handuk Chung, and I'm the librarian for management and entrepreneurship at NC State. My job at the library is basically to teach workshops and make presentations like these. This presentation provides an overview of the variety of business information sources that are available at the library and on the web.
Hannibal, Missouri is a sleepy town located in the northeast corner of Missouri on the banks of the Mississippi River. It is known as the boyhood home of Mark Twain, or America's hometown. This city has a rich history. However, at times it seems to be caught in the past. In recent years, this city has not been known for its social progress. Overall, there seems to be a lack of culture and a fear of change in the community.
How do you record information from meetings, interviews, lessons, or lectures? How do you share that information? We rely on writing things down. However, for as many as 1 in 9 Britons who are affected by dyslexia and for whom reading and writing is difficult, there must be a better way. That better way is Audio Note-Taker. Instead of relying on transcriptions or written notes, Audio Note-Taker enables users to use audio itself to record information.
Audiobooks, reading and speech practice, speech therapy.
I Can Read With My Eyes Shut by Dr. Seuss. I can read in red, I can read in blue, I can read in pickle color too. I can read in bed, and in purple and in brown. I can read in a circle and upside down.
The teacher said, "No running." The boy is running. The teacher said, "What can we do?" The backpack fell down. The boy said, "Oh no." The boy picked up the backpack. The teacher said, "No running." The boy put his backpack on so he could go home.
Audio imprints, accessibility options.
Today we're going to be talking about accessibility options. First thing you want to do is click on your Start menu. Then you want to go into your Control panel. You need to click on your accessibility options to the far right, second one from the bottom. You need to click on the Control panel icon down at the bottom that also says accessibility options. There's several things you can configure, such as your keyboard to have sticky keys, filter keys, or toggle keys. You can configure your sound to have sound sentry or show sounds.
Creative expression, musical composition, podcasting.
Hi, I'm Lorelei King, co-founder with Allie Muirden of Creative Content Limited, publishers of the Lowdown series. And today I'm really excited to be talking to Sarah Lloyd, who is author of one of our most recent titles, The Baby Juggler, which is being published under the Lifestyle Lowdown series. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Lorelei.
We're so pleased that you wrote this title for us. And you're a working mum yourself, aren't you?
Yes, I am. I often describe myself as having 2 jobs because I think working mum is really a kind of loaded phrase, actually. And obviously, mothers who stay at home full time are working mums too, because they work at looking after their children. But I work in publishing, and I also have 3 children, and so I see myself as having 2 important jobs. I think
Whatever the application, the use of audio media in education can help supplement text and graphics, encourage creativity, make the learning experience more enjoyable, and enhance understanding.